The humans are they're out! Operation Epic Snack Time is G.O.
Chef Character B is the special ingredient? Dirt? I found this in the garden.
Incorrect. Character in image 3, the key is moisture. We need a super steamed towel.
That's how you get smoke.
Eddie's working! It's making the special effects. Character B, use your loyal Character Beady as a shield.
I know. Smoke means fire. We must air dry the room. Bam!
And that, children, is why we don't let the primary source of chaos touch anything with buttons.
So,
Go nap, Character A. The kitchen is closed until you are an adult.
In dog years.